Hi guys, welcome back to the studio. Today we'll be making memory photo magnets. It's a really cute, fun, and easy idea to do with your kids to save your photos. And the supplies are listed right here. You can get them at the dollar store or Walmart or Amazon, whatever floats your boat. Here I'm just picking out my photos. I just use a regular photo editor app. And my magic number was 8 to get the size that I needed for the pictures. And as you can see, burst shots are my baby's friend to get the perfect shot, so we use that a lot. So I just chose 8 photos for the project. Here I'm just sizing out which layout looks better for my pictures. And I'm going to save it. And I'm going to go ahead and print it out on my printer. I have a Canon TR4522. I believe it's inkjet. I'm pretty sure it's inkjet. And so I just printed the picture on a 4x6 glossy paper. Now we're just going to go ahead and get started on putting them together. And here I am picking out my glass marbles to see which ones have a smooth back. Some of them have a rough back on them, which I'll show you later on when you choose them to lay your photos. And here I'm just cutting out the picture. I figured out which one I wanted to use, and I'm just cutting it out. And on the back of it, it's a little jagged, so I'm just cleaning it up, making it a smoother, rounder appearance. You only need about 2 drops of the Mod Podge on there because it does spread once you press the picture on there. And make sure to not move the photo or the marble so you don't lose the place as you cut it to fit it. And here I am just cutting out the rest of the pictures. I'm going to use them later on a different project for my son. I might make him some photo letter names. He has 4 letters in his name, so I'll probably just add some photos to those letters and hang them in his room. Or I'm going to put them in his photo book that I got him. We'll see. Depends on how I feel that day. The Mod Podge does dry clear, so you don't have to worry about it being white still. As you can see here, I was showing you the backs of the marbles, how it's not smooth. So those ones I don't use because I can't figure out how to put it on there without interrupting the picture. And these business card magnets I got off of Amazon, so I'm just cutting them to fit the photo. I also did use these to make save the date magnets for my wedding coming up, so that's why I still have some left over. And here is the finished project of the photo magnets. Thanks for watching. Bye.